Good morning everybody, Belinda here. Welcome back, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing something out of my ordinary. I'm going to be using pale green and crimson red, gold, which is not the 24K gold, and the Liquitex Basics Dioxazine purple. So I have all my colors here, and in each color I'm going to put a little drop of silicone. I'll probably put, I've got to be careful because this comes out real quick, so we'll put 2 drops in there. One, oops, and one. So with Christmas fast approaching, I know these are not all the Christmas colors, but I just added, you know, 1 or 2 other colors. See if we can get some nice cells. I'm going to do something Christmassy maybe. Put a little bit more green up here actually. These cups are so soft. I think it's the new you know, less plastic thing, which is good for the environment obviously. So I'm not complaining, it's just tricky to sometimes to manage them without squashing them half to death. Right, should be good enough. I'll put some gold there. Go quick, Belinda. I'm always conscious of how slow I am. Well, I'm becoming more and more conscious of it because I seem to be a lot slower than other pourers. I don't know why it is, but it is like that, I feel. Go in there with some red. I know that some of you guys have said many times, you know, you do like that I actually go slower. probably go a little faster. And then the dioxazine purple. A lot of that in there. I really like purple. I actually want to put just a teeny bit of purple at the top here. I wanted it to be like the color gradient of kind of lighter, the top going darker towards the bottom. Waste not, want not, right? Okay, let's stretch this bad boy out. So I see this paint can't wait for me. It's already creating cells on its own. Let's just touch up the edges here quick. So that it's all pretty all the way around. Okay. And the wind here is atrocious. Apparently we had a tornado yesterday. Kind of did some severe damage here and there. Okay. Let's just rough that off. And put down my swipe, which is white. Okay. So I'm using some food wrap. Oh, I think I see something in my paint. So I might have dropped this too much into the paint. But it's looking gorgeous. Very gorgeous actually. So let's wait for those cells to pop up. Wow. And then I'll give it a torch. I don't want to torch it too much. That's not my intention. So currently I'm just going to cover these parts on the sides. Make them look beautiful. Okay, let's torch this bad boy. So I think I would love to have seen more cells popping up between here. So let's give it a bit of a swipe. Oh yeah, look at those cells popping up there. And just play around a little bit. Oh, I like this effect very much actually. Let's go all the way down that way. Kind of looks like a curtain. Nice. Let's get that there in. Wow, the wind is really getting beside itself. Right, I am liking that too much. Give it another torch. Very nice. It's looking good, guys. What do you think? I really like, after the swipe, these cells come out really, really nice. I know that some more cells will pop up on their own. Alright guys, I'm going to just clean off the edges and I'll bring you in for a close-up. I think this is really, really pretty. These cells within cells, you know, all different coloured rings. I'm really glad that I actually swiped the top like that. Look at these here, like colours within colours. It's really pretty. Okay guys, comment below and tell me if you would like to see me doing more of this sort of pour. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And I really like this, and yeah, it's really pretty. Thanks for watching guys. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Bye.